Alright. You really need to take some pointers from your younger brother over here. Look at that champ. He polished that off. Come on, just a few more pebbles. Just a few more pebbles. Come on. You know you can do it. Make those pebbles up with your textured tongue. Whoa. 5 pebbles looks like Orion's belt. You can do it. Yeah. Fuck yeah. Those taste so delicious. The delicious frisky scent of fish and kibble. Yes. Oh yeah. Yeah, not a problem. Oh, yeah. One more pebble. Get that pebble. One more. Yeah, I know you're scared of me, but not scared enough. So eat that last pebble. You can do it. Wait a second. Wait, one more pebble. Hell yeah. Oh, ooh. How about domino? You getting ballsy enough to eat that last pebble? No? No? I guess nobody's ballsy enough except me. Ew. Ew. Delicious. The best thing I've ever tasted. Guess who's more ballsy than you guys? This guy.